All right, on this slide, you are going to drag and drop these formulas here to their correct place. We have a radius, diameter, circumference, and area. So you're going to take each of these, see how they light up? Well, actually, they just have a border. And you're going to drag and drop them to their appropriate place. I'm not going to tell you where they go, because at this point, you should know where they go. If you don't know where they go, we have an issue, and I need to know if we have an issue. But I don't think we will, because I think you'll look at the beginning letters of each of these, and you'll be able to draw the conclusion of where they go. Just put them underneath in a column or in a row where they go. So if you think this one goes into radius, put it in radius. You think it goes diameter, you put it under diameter. Circumference, you put it under circumference. Think it goes to area, put it under area. Again, at this point in our learning, you should know where each one of these formulas go when trying to figure out the radius, diameter, circumference, and area. So go ahead and complete that before you move on.